In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export contacts in Brevo. Open a new browser tab and search for Brevo. From the results, click the official Brevo website. If you're ever unsure, double-check the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate site. Once you're there, log into your account. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the correct one so your contacts go to the right place. From the dashboard, head to the Contacts section. This is where you'll manage your lists and attributes. To bring new people into your database, look for and click Import New Contacts. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to add them. Select Upload a file if you have a CSV, Excel, or TXT file, or choose Copy-Paste if you've got a small set of contacts you want to add quickly. If you're uploading a file, make sure it's saved using UTF-8 or Windows 1.12 FIFI2 encoding. This helps prevent strange characters from appearing in names or addresses, especially if your data includes accented characters. Upload your file or paste your contacts, then map each column to the correct Brevo attribute. For example, map the first name column to the first name attribute. If your file contains fields that don't exist yet, you can create new attributes on the spot so everything lands in the right place. Take a moment here to check capitalization, date formats, and phone number formats so they're consistent across your list. Next, choose where these contacts should go by selecting an existing list or creating a new one. This keeps your database organized and makes segmentation easier later. Before finishing, review the import settings. You can enable updating existing contacts if the same email or ID already exists, and decide how to handle empty fields so you don't accidentally overwrite good data with blanks. You must also confirm that your import complies with your opt-in agreement. This is important for consent and deliverability. When everything looks good, click Confirm your import to start the process. Now let's export contacts. Still in the Contacts section, select the contacts you want to export. Use filters to narrow your selection by list, attribute, or status to get exactly what you need. Click More Actions, then choose Export. Pick the attributes you want to include in your file. Be sure to include a unique identifier, such as email or contact ID, to prevent duplicates when you re-import or reconcile data elsewhere. Choose your preferred file separator, then click Export. You'll receive a notification once the export is ready. Open your notifications and download the file to your computer. And that's it. You've imported and exported contacts in Brevo with confidence and clarity.